Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, and today we are going to be working on money word problems. Let's go ahead and take a look at our question. Before we do our question, Addie does have something to remind us. Don't forget to label your money. Remember, guys, every time there is a money question, we need to make sure we label it. Thanks, Addie. Let's go ahead and read our question, guys. Inez did laundry. She found $6.47 in the pocket of her dad's pants. Which of the following could not represent the amount of money Inez found? Okay, so she found $6.47. So remember, we always circle our important numbers. We underline our question. Which of the following could not represent the amount of money Inez found? And remember, guys, when you see that word not, that's very, very important. We are looking for which one does not show us the amount of money. So before we can calculate our totals, we need to, of course, label, just like Addie said. So let's look at F first. Right here, if you can see, we have a $5 bill and a $1 bill. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have right here $6 with those bills. Now we need to count our coins. So remember, we use the lines trick to count coins. So these are dimes, which are worth 10 cents. So I'm going to have 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10. Remember, each line is worth 5. Right here is a nickel, which is worth 5 cents, so I only need one 5 line. And then here are my pennies, which are not counted by 5, so I can just put dots, or you can just remember that those are pennies. So now let's count our lines to get our total change. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then I have 2 ones. So I have 45, 46, and 47. So that gives me 47 cents. Now, that's not the end. I need to add my bills and add my cents. So right here, I know my total is $6.47. Now, I want to know which one is not $6.47. So this one is $6.47. So I'm going to keep going. Okay, right here again I have a $5 bill and a $1 bill. So that is going to give me $6. And then I can use my lines. So again, I have 2 dimes, which are 10 cents. 5, 10, 5, 10. I have nickels right here. Those are worth 5 cents, so I only need one line. 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. And then I have 2 pennies. So remember, we're going to count by 5s for each line. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. 47 cents. And with my $6 and with my 47 cents, my total right here is $6.47. But remember, we're looking for which one is not $6.47. So let's go over to H. Right here I have a 5 and a 1, which gives me $6. Now let's count up our coins. Okay, this is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are nickels. Those are worth 5 cents each. 5, 5, and then I have my 2 pennies. Let's count our coins. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So right here, I have 37 cents. So altogether, I have $6.37. Let's go count this. Answer J. $5 bill and a $1 bill, which is $6. Now let's count our coins. I have 25 cents, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have 2 dimes right here, which are worth 10 cents. 5, 10, 5, 10, and I have 2 pennies. So let's count our coins. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. 47 cents, which gives me $6.47. I want you to pause the video right here, and I want you to figure out which one does not equal $6.47. If you said H, you are correct. H is the only one that equals $6.37. All of the other ones equal the amount that Inez found. So remember, guys, the most important thing is to remember to label your money. Remember, each line is worth 5 cents. That way you can go back and count by fives. After you watch this video, make sure you go back into Canvas and do today's quiz or activity. Bye, y'all.